How to delete a poll on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete a poll on Facebook Messenger app. Now, first, how do you create a poll? Now, if you open it and open any one of your group chats, and here tap on the four dots icon that you can find on the bottom left of your screen, you'll find the option polls. Now here you can always create the poll like this, adding the option questions and then tapping on create poll. It's pretty easy, right? Now, how do you remove it? Well, unlike any other text that you send, you can tap and hold on it and you can delete it, you can remove it yourself, and you can unsend it. But in the poll option, if you try to tap on it, nothing happens. If you simply tap on it, you won't get an option to delete or add. You'll get an option to add an option to the poll, but you won't find the option to delete it. You can see if you tap on the cross option, it just closes down, and if you tap on it, it opens up. Now, the thing is, you can't delete a poll on Facebook Messenger. Lots of websites, lots of people are trying to figure it out, the way to delete your Facebook poll or Messenger poll that you create. So far, there has not been any updates and you can't remove the poll. Now, the only option you can do is head over and close your entire group or your room. Now, if you go to here and tap here and end the group or leave the group, then it's the only way to avoid the poll, or else there is no any way that you can remove the poll on Facebook Messenger. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.